Hi, I'm Bill Ritchie, and you know what? There's another Bill Ritchie, and maybe a more interesting Bill Ritchie in Virginia. He has a company. He and his wife started a company years ago for educational games that teach, and they call it today Think Fun. And just a few days ago I was exploring a concept they call Escape the Room, and I found this game put out by Think Fun. And so I couldn't wait to order it, and I ordered it and it came the other day. And now I'm busy kind of analyzing and studying it, because my dream has always been to make a teaching game that teaches printmaking. I've done all kinds of groundwork for it. I wrote a novel called Rembrandt's Ghost, and my idea now has been strengthened tremendously by looking at this game and how it's made up. It comes in a nice box, and so right away I started studying the contents. I can't wait to play it. It takes about anywhere from 3 to 8 players according to the instructions. And inside the box it tells you in the instructions, don't read ahead. You're the host of this escape game, and you are not allowed, even as the host, to go any further, even read the first scene message. I found that interesting. And then I went inside the box, again, being careful to follow the rules, because you don't mess with Bill Ritchie. And I found a package inside. I can't wait to open it. It has some sort of clues in this game. You may know about the real escape games that are popping up all over the country. There are thousands of them now, where you actually go in a room, you're actually locked in, and you have an hour or an hour and a half to escape the room, and the room is filled with clues. So my idea is to take the same idea, either as a board game or as a real room, but it's specifically for printmaking. So you're locked in the room, let's say Rembrandt's studio, and you have to get out of this studio. I can't give, of course, details of the backstory and all that. It's a big help to know that there is a novel behind this, so the novel will provide all the characters and the clues and so forth that go into escaping this room. The catch is, in my game, you have to make a print. You have to learn from the clues and the instructions how to make a print, and you have to do that in an hour and a half or maybe 2 hours. So I personally think it would be great fun, and so I just want to share that with you. Right away in the bottom of the box I discovered a round thing, which of course gives me the idea for the wheel that is involved with the printing press. So I'm off and I'm studying. Pretty soon Linda and our daughter Nellie and I will play this game and in effect make it unusable, because you only get to play it one time. After you've played it, you have to sort of pass it forward to someone else, because now you already know what the clues are. No point in keeping it around. So, and I have a plan. I have just the perfect person to pass this forward to, and I won't tell you the name of that person yet. Thanks for watching this, and thanks for sharing for a minute my enthusiasm for this game that the other Bill Ritchie and his wife have put out.